So we start off today's video with a haircut transformation. Looks like she decided to big chop. Take things a step further and completely shave off her hair. Now she has a really pretty face, so I know that she can definitely pull off like a short style. I feel like when you have a really pretty face, you can like pretty much rock any hairstyle and you're still gonna look good, so yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas. So if you've been thinking of switching up your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this curly pixie transformation. Wow, absolutely stunning. And then we move into the next one. This one also looks like it's going to feature someone with curly hair. So the stylist has the scissors. And it looks like she's also going to get like the curly pixie cut or the tapered curly cut. Very popular hair trend at the moment. And this is a great unisex option. We're seeing guys and girls rock this particular haircut style. Next up, we see someone with hair just a bit past the shoulders, and it looks like they're going to be getting a bob. Oh, very nice angled bob haircut. Gorgeous. So chic and polished, and I really like her makeup as well. The soft flowing cheek and red lip really enhances the haircut. Just gorgeous all around. Next up, we have one of my favorite short hair influencers. So it looks like she's going to be getting a bit of a hair trim on her pixie here. Now, as of right now, she has been rocking like platinum. So this is back when she was a brunette. And I really like her as a platinum hair color. Wow. So here is the full hairstyle, shaven sides and back area. Kind of like a baby mullet or pixie mullet. Very chic and stylish. Well, check out her Instagram page if you do want to see how she looks rocking the platinum hair. So then we move on to the next transformation. Looks like this one is going to involve some color. So they started off with like purple and blue, and it looks like they decided to go with green and blue. Wow, so bold. She's also rocking a bob haircut, loving the waves that the stylist added to enhance the color. And just a little bit of yellow mixed in. Or very light green. So here we have a pixie transformation. Oh, I really like what the stylist did with the bangs. Gorgeous texture. Definitely has like a choppy feel to it overall. And then we have a hairstyle featuring a bang being added. Looks like the stylist is doing more like the fringe style bangs. And she also did some layers. This is really nice. As you guys know, layers are huge right now. So we have a color transformation. This one also features some bold hues. Wow, look at that. Pink, blue, purple. It's like a really pretty fantasy color combo. Here we have a baby pixie style, long sideburns. Lots of choppy texture. Kind of has like a mullet-esque vibe to it as well, longer in the back. And gorgeous blonde hair coloring. So here we have someone with really pretty gray platinum hair. And looks like the stylist is just kind of trimming the hair. It looks like the stylist is creating more of like a spiky texture. Oh, very pretty. I love this color. And like I said, the cut has a very strong, like spiky, choppy feel to it. Nice and edgy. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.